Okay, in this video I'll show you how to add Vidiq extension for YouTube's SEO in Google Chrome. Okay, so if I search here Amazon facts, like so, all video is here, but I cannot find which keyword is suitable for me. Many times we have need to keyword research for YouTube purpose and many other purpose. That's why today I will show how to research a keyword by using a tool. Okay, so there is no data. Go to Vidiq extension, search. So click here and install Chrome extension. Click here and look at this Vidiq vision for YouTube. Add to Chrome and click add extension. Look at this, download it. Download in progress. Okay, after download it, automatically installation your browser. And look at this, we are directing you to back very easily. Okay, I'm not a robot. Click here.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vidiq.
Your installation is finished. Then you go to your YouTube and search here Amazon facts and look at the result. Top channel for this search item, top related opportunities, relevant keyword you can find here. So you can find daily ideas, competitors, trend alerts, most view, channel audit, keyword inspector, achievement, Vidiq Academy, Vidiq reviewers. Okay, now I can search here D Z L E solution. Okay, digital solution. Competition volume is 38 and competition is very low. So, and look at the relevant search. So you can subscribe this channel